Hello and welcome, I'm Nathan42 and in this video I'm going to show you a camera arm which should work in this area here on the Prusa i3 Mark III. Okay, so I'm just going to get straight into it this time. So I've got a screw which came as a extra screw from the spares parts for the Prusa i3 Mark III upgrade. Oh, this is tough. I'm just kind of hoping this fits in here. Okay, there we go. Ah, okay, it seems to fit. There is a gap at the back here. I'm guessing it's weird. I'm not sure if that's supposed to go back all the way. If not, then it seems like a very weird. Oh, is that pushing that? Yeah, it looks like it might actually interfere with this bolt here, which isn't great, I guess. Oh wait, no, that moves a little bit. Can I turn it up a bit more? I think that's mostly in there. It shouldn't. Oh yeah, that's kind of bridged the gap now. Very strange. I didn't think it would actually fit that well after the first bit, but it seems like it has corrected itself. So that's nice. Alright, so for the next part, I have this, can't see that, this thing here. This is meant to hold a camera holder. So the camera holder that we did have is this, which I printed in ABS as well. But it seems way too big and it has a strange shape for the out hole. This is the old one, which I just kind of stuck on the floor. It wasn't even like stuck to anything specifically. It just stood there and looked at the print from this direction. Now I'm going to be moving house soon, and also the camera and everything else goes off when I turn the printer off, and I won't be printing overnight anymore until we move, most likely. So I'm going to stick this arm on here, this little thing here onto here, and then that can be twisted like that and have the camera face that way. Now I'm going to try and reuse this part here, and hopefully I will be able to just stick this onto that. I've not actually tried this out yet. I don't know. Oh, no, it's not easy. I don't think it's going to work that well. By the looks of it now, I can attach it to one arm maybe, and then see how we go from there. But yeah, I'm gonna hack it, make it work. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this is the part now. I'm going to have to take this top bit off, because I also need to reroute this so that it actually goes in with that in a nice way. Now it's not going to fit on there properly, but we could just kind of pretend that it does. Oh no, it's not going to fit. The hole's don't even like it. Maybe we can just fit it here. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that, shall we? Let's do that. mean, that's not very tight at all, that top bit. But if it holds and it works, then that's great. That's really good. I'm going to need to plug this thing in now and actually test it out. So I'll be back in a moment once I have pulled the cable through. Welcome back. Okay, so I have connected in the camera. It's in the enclosure now, as you can see. I've got the light, everything is in. It doesn't touch the wall, but it also doesn't work either. So, I mean, that's a bit annoying, but I think what might have happened is as I strapped one of these cables in and tightened it up with the cable ties, I think that must have damaged one of the cables that's there. So, I mean, as you can see on here, which way? Yeah, there we go. We've got the plug-in enabled for auto lapse. We've got nothing. Go to control. It just says webcam stream loading. I did have the stream open in its own tab, as you can do, but that also yielded no results. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go and buy a new cable. And we're back. So all I did in the meantime was connect the new cable up, plugged it into the board, and lo and behold, it worked first time. So that's great. So yeah, one thing you can do, as you can see in the control, you've got keyboard active controls. You should be able to use the arrow keys to move the head. Yeah, there we go. You can use end and home to home Z or home X and Y. Yeah, so if you guys didn't know about that, that is one thing you can do. As you can see, it moves with the head, so it gives it a kind of unique view. I need to tilt the camera and move it into better positions and stuff like that. But this is, oh, and you can see the smoke detector in the background there. Very, very important to have some sort of thing like that, just to protect yourself, I guess. It's better to be safe than to be sorry, as they always say. But that is it for me now, and I will see you in the next video.